I am Ahmad, and I used to live with my family in Idlib, a city in the northwestern of the Syrian Arab Republic. My sister Shasha was 2 years old, and my brother just was 10. We owned a modest farm which met all our needs, and where I took care of the animals with pleasure, given that I desired to become a vet. We were aware of the Syrian civil war since its beginning in 2011. Nevertheless, at first it was just a nationwide protest that we watched on TV, too far from us to worry about it. But in the blink of an eye, it turned into an armed rebellion, an international conflict, and the disaster arrived to our lives.
It was February 2014 when we hear a huge bang, like a bomb. I looked through the window of the classroom and I saw all the buildings destroyed as if they were paper. I ran to home as fast as I could. My mother was wounded and in tears, sitting in front of our house, holding Sasa. My dad was completely out of his mind. We had to leave our destroyed farm and our lives. It's ironic how my sister's teddy bear, buried under the rubble, symbolized the end of our childhood.
We decided to move to Lebanon because we heard that there were nearly 1 million refugees living there. Now we live in a camp. We are broke. Consequently, the entire family needs to work hard to earn some money to satisfy our basic needs. I don't mind to do it, but I'm afraid I will never get my dream of being a vet. I see other children running and laughing. They have the luck of going to school, the gift of learning. I realize now how much I miss it, and I wonder whether I will have the privilege of the learning treasure someday.